Eel for Dom. Fish coming in left, right and centre.
Oh, I got my 6 species. I want to know it's not a dog. Is this a huss?
Nah, that's a dog.
Oh! James, get a picture of this. Going off. I'm going to get over here. Net, please, net. Net on the roof, guys, come on. It's going on. Tim.
Another nice eel.
Get the net behind it now, right? Turn it off, hang on. Yeah, let me turn it off. Right, go on, right.
So it is! Beast.
Fucking hell. Fucking Tyrone. What's that, bro? 68? Tyrone.
Yeah.
Good 40, isn't he?
Hey!
Now imagine that big fucker doing that.
Yeah. I'm ready to come back. Someone hold him there.
What have we got? Take the elastic by your foot. Going to what we're going on.
What we got here?
Where's the Jamaican lad?
What we got, mate? Number 8.
What you got, mate? Do my job here. Another spur.
Spur coming in, mate.
Whoa. Some fucking fish fest. Rob.
I don't think I will have picked one.
No, just fucking Rob just put big for the mushroom. Come on, Rob, no way.